Gas or flatulence is not uncommon. It occurs with every human being. But when it occurs to an ileostomate and a colostomate, it can cause real embarrassment because the air which is trapped inside the pouch has nowhere to go. Hi friends, this is me Rachel. Today I'm gonna deal with stoma pouch ballooning. Now what could be the real reason of gas or flatulence? Most of the time it is what we are eating. Now it is commonly seen among both vegetarians and non-vegetarians equally. Here are 10 tips by me which you can follow and see which works best for you. The first slide is all about minimizing your intake of gas producing foods. Now basically we all have our likes and dislikes, but we need to minimize it in order to reduce the gas which is trapped inside the pouch. Now these are the gas producing foods. The first is alcoholic beverages, carbonated drinks, beans, soya, cabbage, cauliflower, cucumber, dairy products, chewing gum, milk, nuts, onions. These all are gas producing foodstuffs. We won't be able to completely avoid it, but you can minimize the consumption of these foodstuffs. The second tips are chew your food slowly. Next is quit smoking. Every smokers are ingesting air directly inside their body. Either they come up as burp or they are released via the stoma. Say no to the straws. By using straws to drink water, you are swallowing air inside the body. Next is don't gulp, slurp or eat too fast. This all can help swallow air inside the body. So the next tip, ajwain seeds or the cardamom seeds. So this ajwain seeds, we all know the benefits of this. There is an active enzyme called as thymol which is present in the ajwain seeds, which help release the gastric juices in the stomach. Thereby it helps boosting the digestion process. It is recommended for every patient who have an issue with gas and bloating. Now the next tip is about the cumin seeds or what we call as jeera. So jeera is one among the most intensively studied ingredient among the researchers. It has a laundry list of proven health benefits to offer. Now jeera water may jumpstart your metabolism as well as help balance blood sugar in addition to boosting your hydration. So it helps basically the ileostomate to balance with the hydration. Caution, if you are highly diabetic or if you have any clotting disorders, you consult with a nutritionist or a dietitian before having this jeera water. Now if you don't like jeera or if you don't like the taste of ajwain, you can try these out. The first is peppermint, chamomile tea, apple cider vinegar and cloves. All these have an incredible benefits in our body when we consume it. Now if you don't want to have any kind of foodstuffs, you can try reduce the ballooning with the help of the stoma accessories. So here I'm going to talk about the charcoal filters. Now every single stoma manufacturers talk about the filters which are already there in the stoma pouch. Some may work, some may not. So here are the additional artificial charcoal filter which is applied over to the bag to release the trapped air. So this is a stoma pouch. I have already put the charcoal filter on it, and there is a thermocol dot at the mid side of this charcoal filter. You are going to pierce it in such a manner that this part of the pouch is not going to be hampered. Now the next tip is all about Osto Easy Vent. Osto Easy Vent is specially designed without a filter, enabling you to quickly release the air that has been built inside the pouch, causing it to balloon. So this product is very easily available in the Amazon site. You can order for it and use it and see. Now in this slide you will come to know how a Osto Easy Vent looks like. Now the most advantage of this Osto Easy Vent, it allows the user to release the air whenever and wherever necessary. So this is how this slide talks about the application of the Osto Easy Vent. You can peel off the sticker of the Osto Vent and you can put it any side of the pouch. You can make a circle, cut it around the circle and install the vent. Now this slide is all about Confidence BE. This is a company which manufactures the stoma pouch as well as the accessories. This product is specially designed to address the concerns of the ostomates who are dealing with leakage, stoma pouch, filters and personal choices. I have specially gone through the videos of this products, and I've shared the link of the video of stoma pouch ballooning in the description as well. Now the next tip is all about activated charcoal. It has been found that our activated charcoal has its own health benefits. So let's see what are the health benefits by it. It helps treat acne, it whitens the teeth, relieves the insect bite and bee stings, lowers the bad cholesterol, elevates the gas and bloating, treats poisoning, cleanses the digestive tract, help treat the hangovers. So these are all the benefits of an activated charcoal in normal person, but in an ostomate it helps reduce the bloating. In the case of an ostomate, it helps release the gas as well as bloating. The charcoal caps or the charcoal drink can help reduce the fecal odor by reducing the malodor of the intestinal gas. But just as any other chemical compounds, this product also has certain side effects. The main side effect is the charcoal can turn the stool dark and can cause constipation. Now there are two studies by researchers who have found that there is no significant reduction in the fecal gas, and as well there is no evidence of decreased odor. Now the last tip is all about Chlorofen. It's a product which has a mild laxative effect, and the major side effect is it can turn the stool green. Now Chlorofen has been reported to reduce the fecal as well as the body odor. Now bismuth subcalate or bismuth salicylate is an antidiarrheal agent. It can be used in doses of 200 mg before or after the food. Now Devram is the most common form of this bismuth subcalate, which is safer to use. It is free from the animal ingredients. Now this product decreases the peristaltic activity as well as cause the dark coloration of the stool. Now the long-term use of this product can cause general malaise, lack of energy and peculiar sensation in the fingers and the toes. Now let's summarize the topic of what we have learned today and what are the products which could help reduce the pouch ballooning. The best tip to reduce the pouch ballooning is to maintain a food diary about your likes and your dislikes and what foodstuffs works the best for you and what not. Keep trying different brands of pouch and stoma accessories to figure out what works best for you. Do away with fizzy drinks as well as the use of straw, and avoid smoke. Seek the help of a nutritionist or a dietitian in case if the pouch ballooning is too much troublesome for you. So I hope you have gathered the information related to what are the tips to reduce the stoma pouch ballooning. I've shared some written articles on the description box related to the tips to reduce the stoma pouch ballooning, and also the link to the products which are shown over here. In case you have any doubt, please write on to the comment section. And if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay blessed. Thank you.